All right, guys, it's just me today because Billy's out mowing and I'm getting ready to fix lunch. But we're going to make some coleslaw like KFC, supposedly. So I haven't made it like this, but it's the same stuff that you would normally put in coleslaw. I'm just using regular measurements. Normally I just, put it in and whatever comes out, comes out. So first off, let me pull this down a little bit here. Try to. See if you can see what I'm doing. All right. We're going to put in a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm just using regular Hellmann's mayonnaise on this. And then we'll put in a third a cup of sugar. A quarter cup of milk. You can use buttermilk or whatever you have. Doesn't matter. A teaspoon of white vinegar. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then salt and pepper to taste. If you want celery seed in it, do that. Some people put some like minced onions or something like that. So we're going to do it like this first and see what we got. Let me use my whisk here. Anybody else put lemon juice in theirs? I usually don't when I make it, but this recipe calls for lemon juice, so I usually just put vinegar. Now, Billy says he put some mustard in his. So, I've never heard it with mustard, but that's what he does. And, it's got to be right. So, I'm just using the bag. This one. And this is a 16-ounce bag. And I put in about a little over half. So, I don't know how much I'm going to need for this dressing. So we're going to put that in there. Guys, when you make coleslaw, tell me what you add or what you take away from what we just did. Or I'm probably going to have to make another round of the dressing because Billy likes it really sloppy. He don't like dry coleslaw, as he calls it. Get this all stirred up, and then as this sets, it's going to get so much better. Okay, I think we got her all stirred up. Let me get a fork here. Bring you back up a little bit anyway. I'll get down here and we'll give it a taste. I know it's going to be tasting different here in an hour or so once them flavors get set. So, I like it. That lemon juice gives it a little extra kick. So, yeah. And this would be enough juice for me, but Billy wants a little more, I'm sure. So, we're going to get into making a little more for him. Adding a little bit, probably just some mayonnaise or milk. So, guys, if you like this recipe, comment, like, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.